you were required in the last hearing to submit the official PIDEA Region 11 logbook.
Yes, Your Honor, we submitted it.
Covering December 31, 2004 and January 1 to 5, 2005.
Yes, Your Honor.
This was submitted already.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. For NBI,
NBI.
in the last hearing, the NBI was directed to obtain Mr. Alan Lim's case files and fingerprint records from the Cavite Court to verify his identity and involvement. Dahil in the last hearing, sabi ni General Wilkins Villanueva, hindi magkaiba yung tao na present. And Madam Nono Lim also denied na yun ang kanyang asawa.